So you're thinking about moving to Florida? Well, in this video, we will be discussing Florida insurance. Again, some of the questions we're going to be answering today is, why are insurance rates going up? What's happening to curb the insurance crisis? How do insurance scams work? What do you do if your insurance gets canceled? And what to do to prevent getting that letter that you're being non-renewed. My name is Adela Philipson, and I am a local realtor right here in the greater Fort Lauderdale, Florida area. So if you are thinking about moving here in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. All the information is down below in the description as well as in the comments. Insurance companies are leaving, Citizens Bank has market share, the hurricanes and the damage is increasing the rate. No, there are some serious problems, and I believe that it really has to do with these fraudsters. We are having an insurance crisis here in our state. Article here from bankrate.com. Florida accounts for only 9% of the country's home insurance claims. Can you imagine 50 states? Florida only has 9% of the home insurance claims, but we are responsible for 79% of the home insurance lawsuits. Many of them fraudulent. That the state's risk is from hurricanes, but it's really only a part of the problem, and points to a legal system. It says promoted litigation abuse and excess claims. In this Forbes article, during the years when there weren't any hurricanes, insurers still suffered from tsunami of lawsuits. The Florida legal landscape is set up to benefit the policyholders forced to file claims against insurers, but state officials say the laws went too far. One of the laws is the assignment of benefits. The law basically allows a homeowner of any kind of ordinary property claim, like a leaky air conditioner or roof. Primarily, it was a lot of roofers, which they can actually assign it over to a contractor, a roofer, and they can make a claim on their behalf. So realistically, a man-made crisis. There's a lot of fraud and a lot of scamming with the actual insurance. What's trying to be done to curb this crisis? Most recently, Governor DeSantis signed a second insurance reform bill into law December 16, 2022. It actually went into effect end of March 31st. Because of this due date, insurance companies got flooded with crazy amounts of lawsuits right before the cutoff period. Now we're going to have to wait a few years for all those lawsuits to get settled. Now here's a copy of the actual bill, 837, attorney fees. This is the big one here. The bill changes the method used to calculate attorney's fees awarded by the courts. One-way attorney fees for lawsuits against surplus lines insurance companies, lawsuits against insurers to enforce an insurance policy, and several other categories are no longer allowed. Some of the things you can do to protect yourself in these instances is never sign the assignment of benefits. If there is something wrong with your property and you have to make a claim, make the claim directly with the insurance company without the assistance or involving a third party. How to lessen the risk of receiving that non-renewal letter? I highly recommend maintaining your property. Sometimes with this insurance carrier, they will come to the property when you're not home, look at it from the outside. They will do drones. They will be inspecting your property without you knowing, so make sure to maintain your property. Now, what happens if your insurance carrier has decided to leave the state of Florida or cancel policies? Then you have to act quickly. Generally, it's about a 30-day window. You just have to make sure to not waste any time, start shopping around, call your local insurance carriers, go online, get some quotes, ask for referrals from friends, look for an insurance broker, and have multiple options. Now that we've discussed a lot about insurance and you're maybe curious about Florida taxes, I did go ahead and create a video right here for you to enjoy. And if you don't want to miss out on anything else, make sure to subscribe. See you later, alligator.